Alright guys, how's it going out there? Rooster here in Tennessee, another customer test video. We've got the Carl Built 800 HD. I do have one more of these in stock right now. Carl recommends 250 watts PEP going in and an overall dead key of 400 watts out. Obviously that can vary depending on how long-winded you're going to get, this, that, and other, but under normal talking conditions, 400 watt dead key and then swing 250 PEP going in. Now there are radios out there that match up pretty good with these. RCI 99 N2 would be a good choice. I need to get around to doing a video on one of those when I get a chance, but if you don't like running a driver, that would be a good choice to go into one of these. Obviously the RCI X9 and a few other options out there, but the 99 N2 is when it comes to my mind. Now I've got my scratch and dent C-80 here, which you can't even tell when it's on because the light blinds you, but it took a little damage when it was coming from Carl. We might put it up for sale on the website here in a little bit. I'm just going to run it on low for the video. You guys know I give the whole spiel. We are kind of starving the power supply back here, so our output's going to be down a little bit, but we'll still see some decent numbers. I figured why not test it with a little bit of power going into it. Normally I just test them with the Connex or something, and if they do good power, you know, send them on their way. But we'll get the test going on this thing. Again, you guys can probably expect my voltage is going to drop on my supply because I am starving it. Turn my dead key up a little bit. See, even with a dead key, we're dropping down a little bit, so you know when I put some modulation behind it that it's gonna drop on down. All right, guys, let's give it audio here. See what we're drawing first of all. Yeah. So under 100 amps. Let you know that we're not driving it to its full capability. I haven't even tested what this thing's doing with the unit in going into it, but we're not driving it to max output. And again, voltage dropping down just a little bit. Let's see. It's not dropping down as bad as I thought it would. Let's come over here to the bird. We've got a 2500 watt slug in there. Looking at the top scale. This is average power first. 750 average. It's got a little bit more to go. It'll go up to 8 to 900 average. This is going to be PEP. Top scale. So, excuse me, 1500. Now, the reason it's showing a little bit less peak power, again, we're kind of starving our power supply. That's about normal for what we see out of an 8-pill on the thrown together test bench here. Because we don't have enough wall juice coming to our power supply. So, usually if we see, you know, 15, 16, 1700, pretty happy with that. And again, we're running a little C-80 on low. Just want to do an output test of it. I have no doubt customer gets this thing hooked up to a good supply, plugged into a good outlet. I think they'll see 18, 1900 peak out of it. Probably 8 to 875 average. That's it, guys. Carl Built 800 HD. Now, full blown, like when you're driving this thing to max output, it's going to draw over 100 amps. So don't let that fool you. You know, you see what it's drawing on the clamp meter there. Don't think, oh, I'm going to get one of these and run it on a 100 amp power supply. No, no, no. You won't be able to do that. When you drive it full output, it's going to draw between 125 and 150 amps anyway. So, all right, guys, appreciate it. Questions, comments, let me know. Shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. And again, I may put this one up on the website at a discounted price just because it does have that imperfection there on it, if you want to call it that. All right, guys, Rooster in Tennessee. Catch you guys out there. Check out the website, roostercb.com. See you, bye.